Hello and welcome to my tutorial on how to make a gamepad out of an Xbox controller and a USB cable. First, you're going to need some scissors, wire cutters, and the end of an Xbox controller and a USB with this kind of port on it. First, you're going to take your scissors and you're going to cut this end, at least this close from the cable, as in here. After that, you're going to peel back the wires to expose more wiring, which should show some colored cables. After that, cut your USB cable at least 3 to 5 inches from the end, like I've done here. On the USB end, you'll find 4 wires, a green, a black, a white, and a red. Sometimes it is orange. And on the Xbox, you'll find one extra one that is yellow. Just cut that off. After that, you're going to strip each wire enough that you can connect the cables, like I've stripped it at least this much. Now what you're going to want to do is isolate the rest of the wires away from each other and get the matching colored wires and bundle them together. Just twist them so they bundle, and after that you're going to want to glue them or tape them together. And since I mined a hole, I'm going to hot glue it. Okay, do it each one at a time. You not burn your fingers. I have no idea if this is fire safe, but I've full of months and they have not started any fires at all, so I'm going to glue it.
I hate the Cooper Troopers, so I'm gonna run up and jump on the back of their cells till I get one up. I'm gonna keep playing and I'm never gonna quit, cause some kid at school told me you can see the princess.
Okay, make sure they're each in the ball of glue and let it sit for at least 20 seconds before touching it. My fingers burn. Ow. Owie. I have glue on my fingers. It's burning me. Ow. Don't try this at home. Ow. Okay, I just finished hot gluing all of them, and they're all, each wire is connected to each of its color. Now that that's done, I'm going to take some electrical tape and wrap it around there so I have no exposed wire. You can do a better job than me, I'm just doing this as an example. Now we have our finished cable to connect an Xbox controller to a computer and use it as a gamepad. When you've installed the Xbox hardware, plug in your Xbox controller. Okay, you should get a pop-up on the bottom right screen like that. Xbox gamepad. It will ask you to install the drives. Install the software automatically next. You wait for that. Soon this will pop up. You want to click continue anyway. Okay. Click finish, and you are ask you to install it again. So you click next to it. Okay, after that, click finish. And now you've successfully installed your Xbox controller to use it as a gamepad. See you next time.